Hey guys, it's Naturally Nelly, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get this braid out using all Ajaa Natural products. Stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by washing my hair with their Lavender and Honey Coconut Moisturizing Shampoo. I can honestly say this is one of the best shampoos I've ever used on my hair. You'll see soon that it has amazing slip and it's super moisturizing. So if you guys didn't know, if you look at an ingredients list on a product, the ingredients are listed based on predominance. And what I mean by that is the greatest amount of ingredient within that product is always going to be listed first, and the least amount is going to be listed last. So I'm going to go ahead and read off a couple of ingredients within this shampoo. We have coconut oil, avocado oil, palm oil, jojoba oil, rice bran oil, castor oil, shea butter. Like, these are all ingredients that I know first and foremost, and also I know they're going to benefit my hair. So as you can see, this shampoo has like amazing slip, like amazing. I usually don't get this type of slip from a shampoo. Like, my fingers were just gliding through my hair and it was leaving my hair moisturized, my curls were popping, and most importantly, my scalp and my hair was getting clean at the same time. Okay, so next I went in with their Honey and Sage Intense Deep Conditioner, and honestly I've never had a hair product that has had sage in it, or really, promoted the idea of having sage within that product. But I did some research, and sage actually naturally strengthens the roots of your hair and stimulates hair growth. I mean, who doesn't love that? So after I let the deep conditioner sit in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes, I went ahead and let it pretty much dry 75%. And now I'm going to kind of go in with my spray bottle and also use their Herbal hair milk. And this is kind of just like a leave-in conditioner as well as a curl cream. So just like all the other products in the Ajaa Natural hair care line, it is gluten and cruelty free. There's no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, and no synthetic color. This hair milk was amazing. Like, it literally melted onto my curls and defined it like no other product has. So after I lathered the hair milk all over that section, I went in and used the Nourishing hair butter. In addition to being an amazing product, it smells like paradise. Like, it actually smells like Jamaica. Like, it has mango butter in it, and I think that has a super strong smell, but nothing too overwhelming. But you can smell like a refreshing scent from this butter that I was just not expecting. So that is always a plus in my book. Okay, so here is the end result, and I can honestly say that I really recommend every single product that I used for this braid out. My hair lasted for about 3 days. Don't forget to use the discount code RNEL10 for your next Ajaa Natural purchase. Thanks!